This video is an introduction to negative lookahead in regular expressions. Negative lookahead uses the syntax open parenthesis question, mark exclamation point close parenthesis to match text only when it is not followed by a specific pattern. The pattern is written as open parenthesis question, mark exclamation point pattern close parenthesis. A negative lookahead is a zero-width assertion that matches a position where the following text does not match a specified pattern. It checks what comes next in the string without consuming any characters. This means the matched text isn't included as part of the final result, ensuring precision in pattern matching. The basic syntax for a negative lookahead is open parenthesis question mark exclamation point pattern close parenthesis. The open parenthesis question mark exclamation point indicates the start of the negative lookahead. The pattern represents the sequence of characters you want to avoid matching immediately after the main pattern. The closing parenthesis signifies the end of the negative lookahead. Here's a simple example. The regular expression foo open parenthesis question mark exclamation point bar close parenthesis matches the string foo only when it is not followed by the string bar. In essence, it allows you to find occurrences of foo that do not have bar immediately after them. Here's a simple implementation of negative lookahead in Python. We first import the re module. We define a text string to be foobar football foo. The pattern is defined as raw string foo open parenthesis question, mark exclamation point bar close parenthesis. We use the re.findAll function to extract all the matches and print the output. The output shows the strings foo and foo because the pattern defined does not match with the string foobar. Let's analyze how the regular expression matches against the example string foobar football foo. The substring foobar does not match because foo is immediately followed by bar. The substring football matches because the first foo is followed by t, not bar. The last foo matches because it is at the end of the string and is not followed by bar. Negative lookahead is useful for validating passwords, matching words that are not followed by digits. For example, the pattern \b\w plus open parenthesis question, mark exclamation point \d close parenthesis. This matches hello and world but rejects hello 123 and test 456. The key takeaways from this video are that the expression open parenthesis question, mark exclamation point pattern close parenthesis is a zero-width assertion for negative lookahead. It is also perfect for conditional matching and defining validation rules. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.